Giko kia muthenya wa ira kuri andu aria maretuite maabitha borithi na maraia muigana wa ciringi milioni 72 iria irakuitwo ni ngari ya G4S barabara-ini ya Witu no githiete na mbere na kugegia ingi. Na muthenya wa umuthi borithi ni mahithukirie mathanduku o ndumwe na mihuko 13 iria irakuite mbeca ici mutito-ini wa Thogoto county ya Kiambu thutha wao gukunyirwo ni muingi.
After the scenes of crime visited the scene, they did their part. We have the boxes and are waiting to be taken to Langata police station because the case was reported at Langata. So the officers of Langata are doing the investigation. We are only going to hand over these boxes to them.
Imwe cia indo ingi iria cionekanire ni thimu ya moko muthemba wa Itel, kandi ya thimu o ndomwe na igoti reiru ria kambuni ya G4S.
It is about 300 meters from the main road. All of these things were littered just next to the Maram Road. That is what we were able to find.
The said officers turned to the robbers.
Maya magithiaga na mbere ekwirwo atandatu aria marakuruhanio na uici wa mbeca ici ni makinyirio igoti-ini.
By both the prosecution and the defense.
Ekwirwo aya makinyirio mbere ya mucirithania Martha Mutuku uria wathanire mahingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Langata kwa ihinda ria thiku 7 niguo kuhe borithi ihinda ria kurikiriria uthuthuria.
Suspect to large honor.
Hau kabere mwena wa thitango ukuhoete igoti ekwirwo aya mahingirwo thiku 10 no mucirithania auga thiku ici ni nyingi muno. Ekwirwo aya atandatu ni Musa Rajab, Abraham Mwangi Njoroge, Aska Kemuto, Wilfred Nyambane, Nathan Njiro na Denmark Magembe. Cira uyu ukagwetwo tariki 13 mweri uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.